There are 25 questions in this video, divided into 5 tenses. You have 5 seconds to come up with answer. Pause the video if you need more time to think. Keep count of the number of correct answer you have. When do we use the present simple tense? What is the negative form of I am in the present simple tense? Give an example of a habitual action using the present simple tense. Fill in the blank. She usually read books on Sundays. How do we form the present continuous tense of the verb to play for they? Provide an example of a temporary action happening now using the present continuous tense. When do we use the present continuous tense? What is the negative form of you are eating in the present continuous tense? Complete the sentence, they not work on the project at the moment. What is the present continuous form of the verb to run for the pronoun they? Form a sentence in the present perfect tense. When do we use the present perfect tense? What is the negative form of she has finished in the present perfect tense? Fill in the blank. I just arrive home from work. Rewrite the sentence using the present perfect tense. He reads that book every month. How is the present perfect continuous tense formed for the verb to study when referring to I? Provide an example of a sentence using the present perfect continuous tense in the negative form. When do we typically use the present perfect continuous tense? What is the present perfect continuous form of the verb to run for the pronoun they? Sarah blank, study, for her exams for 5 hours. Select the correct sentence in the past simple tense. Fill in the blank with the correct form of the verb in the past simple tense. Tom blank, finish his homework before dinner. Choose the sentence that uses the past simple tense correctly. I arrived at the party at 8 o'clock last night. I greeted my friends and then I blank. She blank a beautiful dress to the prom last year.